everyone, welcome back. So first thing first, before we start, I want to take a moment to appreciate our beautiful naked faces, and let's do a little dance. Hopefully your dance is better than mine. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I am starting out by applying BB cream to my face, and I am just applying it everywhere that I think that I need it, which is most of my face. Moving on to a base eyeshadow, and I am applying it all over my lid with this brush. And then with a pink eyeshadow, I am just applying it on the outer edges of my eyelids and just fading it out really well. And then I am applying the exact same shade in the inner part of my eyelid. And then I'm going in with a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm drawing a wing liner on both of my eyelids to have still the wing liner, which we love, but with a more soft brown tone. And then I am taking the exact same pink shade that I put all over my eyelids, and I am bringing it down on the outer edges of my lower eyelids. And now taking a light shimmery shade of pink, and I'm putting it in the inner corners of my eyelids. And then I'm taking the exact same shade and I'm putting it on the very middle part of my eyelids. So after I put on this pink lipstick, I am taking an eyeshadow brush and I am loading it with the same pink shade that I put on my eyelids, and I am just brushing it on top of my lipstick to create this integration between the shades and to make it more monochromatic, and I don't know, it just really worked here. And then I'm using a mixture of the lipstick that I put on my lips and the same pink shade that I put on my eyes, and I am mixing them together to put them on my cheeks for that very blushy, rosy blush. And yeah, that's it. That is the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.